to 30th of September. And it's here away. So I bet who be here. The doctor and one year name will be on the 17th. So I bet to committee and normally organize the share. No, because I'm over the member for no any other societies. I mean, I can start in Asia. The Marquin and Masadiano about so basically, and we are not here meeting the night and TBI free. A demo in general, when here say, I can't own a BBI, say, one the young Diablo. Everything organized labor. Organized labor is 4 women informal sector for everybody is part of organized labor. You see, I had your copy say, enter 10th of this month. Let's have Ben Young who be here. It may be answer. Now you declare in the indefinite strike or Omanhene. Because you say a very big year, some year. You say,
Roma, Okase Jumanibian Trafia, form band they take virtually everybody to say we organized labor is shutting down work.
Everybody. Obia organ be a worker. We are there, we are pressman. Who the sabolo, we are there, you are a worker. It is a wild you would decide in a personal, won't quite the same, not at the same family, and yes, safe. Ensure a better canoe, the scapol, the Omeska, into my crunch, you won't crunch you. It is a wild generous and America, say, deep wow, they are fine. Send dim wow, they are, and not saying a soroka. Number 9% of Ghana putting a chance and say, this is not politics. And up to send them pin for my idea and politics. One politics Bibiano. They say I am much is ever catch and you cry, a papa cry, no the politics, no my barber. Yeah, organized labor for get up my fine, I didn't find that they can't deal with. It is something that is affecting our life. And I'm myself. The word of party in power or party in opposition or whatever. Obviously, I can say, send a bill of the Sompa. Party MPP, Moyo, CP, Mayo. You know, your friends, as I said. You know, you person you chat, I'm saying, Kinton Tankrafi or my Musana Bea, yes, you any BBI assassin, the home young action on my Asama or Munia.
Mr. Joshua, I better see no pay.
I mean, sure, the brave. All
right, as I'm telling you about Quaba. Now, pom to say, TUC, Anama Wotwe, Yabeba Homame, and more. Near Bakumi and Misuna Yanko, because on the 10th it means they are shutting down. The nation is going on a shutdown because they are even calling on us.
Medium cry.
Some media cry and say TUC.
Oh, but Nanabe who be.
Into no young Susiana day. You cry, you do me a radio in the entire.
Nanabe who can say TUC man and Emanana BBC bar one of hotel no
Sompa FM. So we mo charge yes so we charge na you be share ho asem hwa. Yam share electoral commission about to obre no ene o calculate aka be 60 something days.
Oh, be 61 and 62.
Okay. Omo go share na share mu ni nyina pack for the first time. I think it was screen live.
Oh yeah.
Am obi ahwebi.
Yeah, ahwebi.
Enkomodi akoso. Ekwadon ko si NDC for jai electoral commission
and no
munya no munya na dwuma ye tie akwadonko
papa no benefo amwahia me danya me ase se me be ye nyina ye ma me ba no so no ma no so ye nyina he na se me danya me ase se obetna konwa so esu fidi amanfo sum no NDC for ade papa na so o ma de ko court bra no be trade ni ko court na so o ma ni mu glase ka o mo ni ina chi no ya sa be trade ni me ameti we ameka say isi ka say obi afa ni nipa emetna table no ba bia ya trade ni obi afa ni nipa bra na ye hunu say ye be trade no obi antimi aka ho asem me di nipa koi ba bia me di nipa ko bi ni ina chi no ya trade ni kama what the book ya the challenge na ka ho the play ka ho so obi a wonya afie du nwatwe ya ntwere obi a wonya gana ni ya ntwere adda na mo hadi pesa wonyu se nya be de ba e onyankopon ya de ba e o wo ya dai mo boa e bompa ya se nyankopon santa na chi kwam bia so wonyi na finti wo yo ba sonko wo ye nipa sonko me boa baso pro ha is in penny for no penny what no I don't know what it is me American what say any fed you no one say yeah we will and then more years be e mo boa I don't know what trying to answer what baby I don't know I don't know what is that I don't know quiet straight I say kuku na makotutu eno nanche yes I'm kekos wasa kwatwe dade akobo MP4 MP4 be bo baba so ate someone kasa na mo asa kwatwe aba dade mpo bo da ko bodachi wo se afiri ho ba ka so a wo ma kotokuro so se kai twitwa nipa e je da mo ye o ma wi ase bo le kwai o ma na wo dia mo me nya so ni ya papa ni fa tua
okay na ayalo kokoya so misia
we I
ya kwaba we I pack political platform emza sen mu ache
wa sen mu ache
o si chema mesre but you see I think Omanhene Yaw and I think was it computer too was there or control because going
but don't go dia kwata ade na ni dia ba mu binwa wie
but and I was listening to Omanhene Yaw
I think that the ground rule must be modified.
He made some cogent
obviously no other political party was seen
it was
during the PowerPoint presentation being responded to. So it is obvious we have done a good job, and that is why today you are all here to help deepen our democracy. This said, very obviously, 2 to 4 minutes for all other political parties will certainly not be enough for the NDC. Thank you. When your roof is leaking, you can decide to mop, keep mopping, and keep mopping. Or you can decide to fix the leakage and mop. What we see here is mopping and mopping and mopping. Fixing the leakage is missing. And this is at the heart of our altruistic demand for a forensic audit. This forensic audit is not just about the register. When you have fixed the register, and I will demonstrate to you how, as a result of our revelations, some aftermath fixing is providing a semblance of we are fixing it. When you fix it, and we all look at the hard copies, and we are all giving the PVR, the soft copies. In November, if the very criminals that got us here are still there, engaged in illegal transfers, we will come back to square one. And that time, it will be too close to the December 7 elections. This is why we are saying we need to adopt a dichotomous approach. Look at the register,
Sompa
fix the issues in there, and also audit the very IT systems that allowed.
That was Omanhene Yaw, Director of Elections for you. Mamemra Munchain, Asante, Lamintio, na Afe Mema, ya also Emrem. And it was said by 7 o'clock, Pejaimu, na Yamas Postim Neba. In the next 5 minutes, you deliberate on the issues at stake. Now, you also for 5 minutes. Mamintio.
Yeah, my patron, may have safety for us. She say, on say Galamsey and 1 7 day, Yenina Yakwa, Tia Sesam, Esikono, and yet. Now, how do you solve the problem? Na Galamsey a koso, Nyaku for a mamun kwana a koso. By a warrior, a man a koso say, ye to 2. A good year of forest reservoir, and the Maya in Sunum. nsuo pi wo kwa na se be yenso no so ne ano
tie Sompa
okon kron kitu ani mu ba sei no enti se biem e ma se de so no so kra na wokọ other regions na sei enti ye de ye ni TUC for no ya adwen deliberations mi gas omoni penifo asi hu nkonwa the last time ama abano e ka se BBC obetinu asi nkonwa na adade enu amaba out me them they make can say on be shut down the whole country on how are the bebano there could be other means of solving the problem at the moment na ye hwe so ni ehu anya sa on the 10th no say declare
but are they going to have the support?
That is another question. Yeah, they could. It's only even 20% crana. And Casabia, the whole country, there are some help facilities. They also go.
Immigration, when you know, TUC.
Organized labor. They are some most cases now.
Because of essential services.
Most of these.
But civil service, you know.
Civil servants.
Cross tax.
Bampuana, one a dimmed into Marcus. So, and a teacher for count. Now, at the moment, you sag for you tag, you tag for Caromocronia Bribisa. So, and when you never shut it down, invest is all this, don't you know? Who say, Bonin, the whole, but me was associated by my bino. A ya simple a chain. Bonina a cosono. Say, be a bino swasson, and me case like the Brian Champon, we are in the company dino. And no time, no, you do the other Nanado. And yeah, say, Rock City, and once I'm buying. Nanado tea eventually, Emma. The ne kind of hana o munti na eventually o mu do bibia ma ebesi ne TUC forecast ye nyaton ye jaton ye hu de continue so we are expecting the same thing say every now come Friday no ya de koso nya ye sa LI 2462 no 2 omon fan ko ne ye kase fi ne ekro ukotu agudie of foreign reserve criminal ni ntwem anya sa obi tu no galam
nya se galam say no amo ye no omo ye small scale e won sase esono na aba na ye omo forest reserve be ensu ano eti wona say no
oh yeah and how do you feel say any brim e yen fanya hwibim
move on to the electoral
commission ni ndc for nsensem no me say ndc for na ekopra se no betu mu.
Now NDC issues a statement last night calling on EC to audit its IT system.
Okay,
does it mean that now they are they are drawing away from the forensic audit of the entire register and now they want the IT system to be audited? No when they go count
the more say commission say obeside the voter register na say be exhibition na commission is obey of online exhibition but in this forum so can say omonfa offline no enka ho for a month for person last quinky but there can say Ghana the recent electoral commission be exhibition no we didn't even get 20% of turnout among four core centers no kokore omudi nsewu media then is for no ni nyina ade ba ko a media ebeboa commission say it has made them to extra sit up
okay
na bia omoni ma omo ho su year at least
it's been a watchdog.
It's ama money abo mo ho so pa senka nyo man kama mi nka enu anka mo ye sa press conference it has all given the opportunity omo ezenoti omo ho mo ama man fo so ma horo mo ho afi e wa mansen ni pa so what you know opportunity omunya na enu ano and say odi ko ya address best 20 minutes e chire nsemu ma obi a ti ase e tu mi say ye case exhibition na fence preliminary fence
forensic audit
not forensic but register na even say in the provisional register na yen case no na sacrosanct na say efin bia enihu wagitu mu say as we move on na say ye from na corporation or political parties and Ghanaians in general say Ghana for no am boa say ko wedi say woman ma me no say be say onye magician obi wu ba bia takwa wo hu obi wo adroba wo hu na so obi wo adobe ro wo hu there be Mwana mudidi ne beko and going forward you know say kasi ye call biometric and asane mana ye hu how system betim identify say nipa no
obi a wawu afrim
obi o wa ni din o de kwatwa ni din no enye na owu ye no ya ba twa bo poster so it will make things very difficult of a system
okay
going forward you know commission do ya ba no parties ni nyina mmoa me say by 11 and 10 from back side case mo bie register no ebe boama the amount of errors ni nyina beba form
yeah mamentio
well a voters register nkomo ya omo AD MPP ni NDC ni political parties no omo AD na konta ye po bia blame no a ye blame MPP ni NDC for na political parties no omo na am ya ba bedu this point if you say voters register any credible enough e to aba enyeyi obaka ya electoral commission for the CIB koto parliament anim sese be ya ebe me nya voters register papa if you think we be anim no kompese omo eye together with NIE near the Ghana card enkwa nti ebe hu Ghana ni typical Ghanaian na oba betru ni din ye be hu hoho a oba na yache no amemra nnedi ye be hu akwala oni 18 years ampesa mu de ne ba besim ye be hu de wawu a wono soso no din da so voters register ni mu nya parliament one koye nya MPP ni NDC fu ni gu parliament e de no manye
ombogui
emedu ba bi kra ko fa ma me ne betena parliament anim obe address omo ema my ba ko no
bossman
dabi my ba ko no hwe Ghana card so ne friends na bro Professor Tefa
youthful impetuousness
mo akota ono so betena obeka ne bro fi nyina ebeka say at that point na omo eyesa ade no kra no na omo data bibia omo kra omo de ne ye robust chain electoral commission de anka electoral commission kra no ka going for the nkomo ha omo so omo kwa kochochuru din bio data no ho
unya 18
years na e de wawram nti ade ne da ho no mo de da ema obeka ya omo raise concern bi se nya Ghana fo nya ne kuta Ghana card ne bi ema o kan se omo print bi gu ho Ghana fo ne meje na eka bi su wom ema obeka ya parliament aba mani tia sika na omo de ko print bi ni ade ekosi sei because some politicians na nim de omo ye e suma sinti no Ghana card ndi okobo so ye ntiase by the end one am say be su kire say voters register ne enya modern
yeah so we no transfer the enfa Ghana card
akota transfer he ma me another angle yes electoral commission form a political parties no document bi say o control di voters register ni mo a ye je telephone number
yes
it is true telephone number no mo betimi afre yes omo ye no omo the district bi ya dia ma political parties no omo the polling station diamo bia say okwa MPP ni NDC mu a omo polling station executives omo constituency executives or regional executives enti some person voters register mo boa e man yeye
see police station executives
police station executives
no be na about 4 year ya about 700 people ye omudia free mensia say na na je ba for wu these things are simple things you can do.
MPP ni NDC
lawyer about for court no. Yetima yi nipa 700 otimenya omote efiewura fo na omoso omote ho no omotimi court ko di adanse within a space of 2 weeks watima yewe ya adan na pusika ne wa no motimi ye
akota me si say
they are lazy.
It's about time ohu say komo conform nsem ne ba kini kwanse so omo so kura na nke bia nke apam omo say mo nkomo nya na mo cheche no munim how to do this where omo document to the extent say every polling station omo enim nipa dodo a eto aba o polling station ho e wo omo telephone numbers
e wo omo fie
nipa na e mo omo de adwuma se omo polling agent nsa omo start ni omo kasa ono abato no ho na wa ha so oni ase ya ye ji udin ye be make bars available ha unso omo start omo yes
you are doing it
na mo yes ade no a se nipa na wu a ofafo na ofre se bia polling station Sompa ha se ya na se nipa oto aba se ni se wu a mo fafo na mo frɛ busuafo no ka che mo se asomasi yesre mo wu o
immediately you can draw that
a poster mama ye bia krata bia kire se wu ye de come electoral commission for krachi yesi man wi mo hwede nim na mo yesi wu munyini din famfiri registered makota sade no ye pese ye ni ya MPP ni NDC for no can help us keep your voters register no clean because document ni data electoral commission dey ama MPP ni NDC for no akota esombo enti yenya omo dedene ya no mo be ye kire ye se e na hwan na we ye robust e na enye fit for purpose ni ade ye se the Ghana card ye mo se monti ase se o the document na mamo telephone numbers na e ka
the campaign any vote ntimo ye
campaign
na ye yi dia free mu na
ye yi dia free mu de mufi say akwa ne ekoyi firi ma bia na ekire bi ebetimi de aya de foforo enti yema ne din enkosim ene na Ghana voters register de koto aba this year 18.7 million. Your population yes akonta 33 million. Krobe na nipa half ye koto aba nipa more than half timi ekokoto aba man ye. It means your voters register nye. Your population yet 33 million. Nipa beto aba fi 18.7 million.
Ebro half.
Ebro half. It means a voters register nye. Ni a person body abo obi a ye form MPP ni ndc for no.
Ye dane ye ho aba na agudi akomfo no betra se